Managing a manufacturing facility involves complex tasks, from optimizing production workflows and ensuring worker compliance to maintaining workplace security and efficiency. If you're seeking a comprehensive solution, our all-in-one BAS platform is designed to meet your needs with features like Skillset Verification. Ensure the right workers with the right skills are assigned to specific tasks, boosting productivity and minimizing errors. Worker scheduling. Optimize workforce deployment by matching skill sets to production line requirements and shift demands. Expiry management. Stay ahead of expiring worker certifications, licenses, and compliance documents to avoid disruptions. Mobile access. Empower supervisors with on-the-go access to worker productivity, skills, and certification expiry dates directly through a mobile app. Productivity tracking. We help manufacturing businesses monitor workforce performance to ensure production efficiency and timely delivery. Our system enables you to accurately track output and man-hours, giving you real-time insights into productivity levels. We provide comprehensive productivity indices and benchmarking tools, allowing you to measure performance, identify gaps, and make informed decisions that drive continuous improvement on the production floor. Access control. Enhance facility security by managing workforce entry and tracking site access. Compliance management. Ensure all workers and processes meet industry regulations and standards. Simplify your workforce management and keep your manufacturing operations running smoothly with a solution that handles every detail. To learn more, visit our website at www.intercorpsolutions.com.